Now
comfortable.
I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to give you a situation. Okay. Uh, I'll give you a situation. Now my son is your friend, your age. Okay. Let us consider a hypothetical situation. Now my son is now he has got a new job in your city. Okay. But I am misinformed about your city. So I feel I'm misinformed. I feel your city is totally not safe. Lot of thefts, lot of robbers, not safe once it is night. I have so many misconceptions about you. Okay, now my son reaches out to you and he tells he's your friend. So he says, "Hey Chandan, what is this here? My father is not letting me come to your place at all. I have got such a wonderful job." And what he does is he rings you up and he gives the phone to me so that I and you start speaking. Now it's your
Okay.
job to convince me, okay, your friend's father, and tell me clear all my misconceptions, and so that I can allow my son to come to your city. So I am going to
Okay.
speak like a father.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah.
Hi, Chandan.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi. Hi. I'm doing great. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. My the son's name is Dhruv, so I'll use that. So Dhruv told me uh, that he's a very good friend of yours, and I always wanted to meet you, Chandan. So how are you doing in life? So how come you call me up?
Yeah, sir. It's first of all, I'm glad to know that your son got a job here, and
Your son, Chandan, your son. My son is your friend, yeah.
okay, okay, okay. So, okay, I must use like my friend's name, Brew.
Yes.
The friend name, yeah, Brew. Yeah.
Dhruv,
It,
Dhruv.
Brew. Okay, I thought
Okay.
Brew. Okay, and it is really privileged that yeah, that my friend is joining my city, and as we know, as we are very best friend from the childhood, and it's a good opinion that 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 my friend is joining here. So whatever you have misconception, it may be right, it may be wrong. I am not saying that you have something wrong about this city, that the city is not safe for the new people, or it is not comfortable like the city as he staying where he was, where he's right now. So I'm going to tell you one thing about this city. See, like any city, like Dhruv is here in a couple of days. Well, if we go to any places, any city, any state, so there's the two things: the bad thing and the good thing. It is everywhere, right? So you have to be choice. So whether you want to stay or not, because you will not find that place that is completely clean, 100% clean. You will not find it. So the thing is that you are quite matured, you quite understandable, and you can judge your opinion very comfortably. So as per I'm his friend, and I have been staying here like for 10 years ago, like almost 10 years. So I can judge myself. I can judge. I can command you. I can be as a. I can guide you. This place is safe. So
No,
like Dhruv.
Chandan, I'm not satisfied by whatever you are telling, Chandan. See, Drew told me about all these things about Jamshedpur being a good city. But you know, Chandan, I read too many articles, I have read too many things where they say language is a problem. My son doesn't know Hindi as you do. He does just knows English and the local Kannada language. I told him, Drew, language is going to be a problem for you. Food is going to be a problem for you because my son, yeah, as you know, Dhruv is a big foodie. He likes eating food. Now, what do I do? Who is going to cook for them? Cook for Dhruv now, Chandan. You tell me. He loves his mother's food. And that's why I
Okay.
told him all these problems are there. I'm going to tell him, Dhruv, don't go. Stay in Bangalore and do whatever you want. What can I do? You tell me.
Okay. So your major concern was that the food and also that language barrier. We're thinking. Okay. Okay. So I think the people here are very polite and very supportive. So the language barrier would not be bothering if he is joining the city, because people are very helpful. like if he's comfortable to talk in English, like all like many of the people will will join to have a conversation within in English. So I think that would be not be an issue if he going to stay longer. And if you talk about the Hindi language, yes, Hindi is speaking entire city. It would not be a problem, and I think he will learn within a month if he's going to stay here, like within a month, or like he will be learning Hindi, and as well as he can understand the Hindi as well. And about the food, there are many restaurants I can suggest him, so that if he feels that he's missing his home, then he can go that particular South Indian restaurant where he can fulfill their taste, which he is missing, which he would be missing. So I think these are the two concerns that you were talking about, and it would be easily covered up. So I think this would not be so much trouble if you
I
join here.
know, Chandan. I think I know. Probably you're talking some reasoning here. You have a good reasoning. But you know what my worry is? He's coming to your place. He is going to stay in the east of Jamshedpur, but you are staying in the west of Jamshedpur. Now there is nobody who is going to be near him to take care of him in terms of emergency. Now I love my son. How am I going to let him just be all by himself? And what if he undergoes some medical emergencies? What if he undergoes some kind of an emergency where he would need a person, local person help? These are all the things that are in my mind. And then how do I get rid of these and probably try to send through to your place?
Yeah, that is correct. I'm staying in the western part, and he's gonna be stay on the eastern part because his office is nearby. So during the medical condition, see, the city is not too big to reach from one place to another place. So it hardly takes 10 minutes or 15 minutes to reach from one place to another place. Like if he's in very emergency, then I have a couple of friends around the Jamshedpur. Like if you talk about
Oh,
that, so I can, so very good friend are there. So if I call him that, like one of my friend who just come to from Bangalore, he really needs an urgent help. So he will just come and help him. So I think this would not will affect.
oh, I see. That is good, Chandan. You kind of cleared a lot of weight off my chest. I'm feeling a bit better now. I am feeling a bit better, but there's still some concern. I heard that in your city there is lot of daytime mugging and robbery also that happens in the night. You can't be safe in the city. I don't know. My friends told me that Jamshedpur is that kind of a place. Now, will Dhruv be safe all by himself, walking around the city and probably living at home all by himself? Is it really true that Jamshedpur is a dangerous place?
Not exactly, but if you heard from somewhere, like in the news or some or like in the paper, that would be a some little bit. I will not say that I will not totally agree with your point, but yes, there would be a chance that people get robbed in from the during the daytime. But you should be very aware. Like you're like Dhruv is not a kid. He can he can understand. He can take care of himself. So like like any new country, any new place, people are like very more concerned, very more attention, be attentive, like whatever will happen. So I think this will not affect a lot if we join
That
here.
is also there. I know, I know. When you will have a kid, you will understand what is the father's concern.
I
You
understand
are
understand
telling.
the father and father son has a great bond, and if anyone is beyond the bond, then he feels a lot how I can
Okay.
how my son when we stay there.
Okay, I think you have understood. You kind of convinced me. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Chandan, just one doubt. Just one doubt.
Yeah.
Now, our Bangalore weather is different from Jamshedpur or anywhere in the northern part. Okay. Now, if at all I allow Dhruv to come to your place, how are you going to help him? How are you going to initial stages? What will you suggest him to get from here? How should he get dressed? What kind of clothes should he purchase before coming? Just tell me something about that, and I will be convinced to send him.
Well, if Dhruv is coming, So I'll guide him which place would be the best from nearby your nearby his office, his company, right? And also I will guide him the cheapest and the safest conveyance from reaching his company from his place where he's gonna be stay and to his company. And also I'll guide him the basic necessities if he needs some urgency. So where to go, like what are the best way to convince, best convince to reach from one place to another place. And if he needs some urgency, some urgent help, then I will also put it some urgent number, like from my friend's number in his phone. So like from all the aspects, I'll put it, I'll guide him that you are safe here. If you need any emergency, you have that contact number, and also a brief information about the city, so
Oh,
that
okay,
you can
okay.
be more familiar about the city. Like during,
Oh,
also
okay.
I will help him during the weekends to how to go the place that you really want, like your area of interest, like you like fooding. I'll show the best places about the food places, so you can
Okay,
have your
okay,
food.
fine, fine. Okay, fine. I am convinced, Chandan. I am convinced. So thank you so much for being so nice talking to me about this and about your place also. So I think finally I am going to let through, but it's your responsibility to take care, and I'll
Yeah,
hold you responsible if he
of course, sir.
complains about loneliness. Okay.
Yes, yes, surely, sir. It's an honor,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Wow, Chandan, that was a
Okay.
wonderful conversation.
Yeah, I felt
Okay,
somewhere nervous. Like I when I speak, I felt somewhere nervous because it is totally
absolutely.
new, na?
I
Yeah, yeah.
absolutely. I want to
Uh,
talk to you. Just 1 minute is
I
left.
really enjoyed it because this is the new thing. Because when you speak, that you really know that you are very comfortable. Like whenever
Absolutely.
you don't need to think for that topic because your mind is
Just
already had thing. Now
just a
you have
couple
just
of
put me a, yeah,
feedbacks before this session closes.
yeah, please.
Okay, I wouldn't able to understand. That is one sentence. I would not be able to understand, or I wouldn't have understood. Okay, peoples get robbed. I think peoples again. I am telling you, this is a repeat mistake
No,
for me. People,
no, people,
people.
only people.
Okay,
Yeah.